CC 9278 2013 Buick Verano 2.4 liter automatic 6-speed, 49,082 miles. It is a flood car. It's also going to be a front clip, but the bumper has damage. The lower grill's gone. So we're in the bumper to make the complete front. It's in pretty nice shape. It's got a little scuff in the top of the rear bumper right there. We took the spark plugs out. There's a little bit of moisture in the motor, but nothing I don't think will hurt it. We're going to test it and find out. Obviously it won't run. Show you a water level and what's inside. The water level is right there above the door switches. You see the line right here, which is about mid-dash. Went over the seats, but everything else in here seems to light up. There's the radio coming up, and the speedometer. There's miles. The gray cloth leather seat. I'll show you a water line on this side of it also. See a little bit better. Door panel again. You can see it on the glove compartment. Side of the console. So it's probably right about here, just at temp control level. Airbags and everything should be good.